Whether in life or at work, I always try to help others. It is in my nature. I always make sure I am accessible to my customers, and I use my skills to deliver the best services. Under Secure Power Services, we deal with a no-break service. My main customers are data centers. These operations run 24 hours a day. Even minor hiccups can result in a major downtime for our customers. My name is Elijah Skusel. I work for Schneider Electric as a field service representative. What I love about working for Schneider is the autonomy that I have in my role, while still benefiting from the support of the team. Schneider Electric ensures that we are well equipped. We undergo regular training sessions, so we are always up to date with the latest developments. We don't only do technical training, but also soft skills development. We don't only grow as technicians, but also as people. Decarbonization is a global challenge. We help our customers become more energy efficient to reduce carbon emissions. Recently, I was promoted to be a field service representative, VIP. It feels good to be recognized for my efforts. For me, the most rewarding thing is when an important customer is satisfied and shows their gratitude.